It's obvious that some devices stand out for their inventiveness, practicality, and design as we enter the tech industry in 2025. The newest and most innovative gadgets that provide anything from improved entertainment and productivity to smarter living can be found on Amazon. These devices are here to help you step up your tech game, whether your goal is to give your home office a new look, improve your workout, or enjoy the best possible music. Logitech G Pro X Superlight Mouse. The Logitech G Pro X Superlight Mouse is made for gamers that expect the highest level of comfort, accuracy, and performance. One of the lightest gaming mouse available, at only 63 grams, it provides unmatched speed and precision. The mouse is perfect for competitive gaming since it has Logitech's Hero sensor, which offers sub-micron accuracy, and it is designed for extremely low latency. Additionally, the Pro X Superlight has a sleek, ambidextrous design and adjustable buttons for optimal comfort during extended gaming sessions. With a 70-hour battery life on a single charge, the Logitech G Pro X Superlight is renowned for both its wireless performance and durability. Wise Thermostat. The Wise Thermostat is a clever and reasonably priced solution to easily regulate the temperature in your house. With its sleek, contemporary appearance and remote control capabilities via the Wise app, you can regulate the heating and cooling of your house from any location. Both heating and cooling systems are supported by the thermostat, and its sophisticated sensors learn your routine to adjust the temperature in your house for maximum comfort and energy efficiency. The Wise Thermostat makes sure that your room is constantly at the ideal temperature, whether you're at home or away. Google Pixel 8 Pro. With its cutting-edge features and performance, the Google Pixel 8 Pro is the company's newest flagship phone. The Pixel 8 Pro boasts lightning-fast processing, better camera functions, and increased AI capabilities thanks to Google's Tensor processor. The phone's slim form and sturdy build make it easy to handle and use, and its gorgeous OLED display enhances every picture, video, and game with vivid colors and crisp clarity. One of the Pixel 8 Pro's best features is its camera system, which produces amazing shots in every setting thanks to its optical zoom, remarkable low-light performance, and sophisticated computational photography tools. Eufy Security SoloCam L20. A strong and portable outdoor security camera, the Eufy Security SoloCam L20 is made to safeguard your house and belongings. With its two-way audio, motion detection, and high-definition video recording capabilities, this camera lets you use the Eufy Security app to keep an eye on your surroundings from any location. With its integrated illumination and weatherproof design, the SoloCam L20 helps record crisp video even in dimly lit environments. You can rely on this camera to offer reliable protection without requiring frequent maintenance thanks to its rechargeable battery, which lasts for several months. Nanoleaf Line's Smart Light. With the help of the innovative Nanoleaf Line's Smart Light, you can create a dynamic, adaptable atmosphere in any area. You have complete control over the atmosphere of your space with these modular light panels, which can be placed in countless patterns and designs. To create a completely immersive experience, you may use the Nanoleaf app to change the brightness, color, and effects, or you can sync the lights to music. These smart lights can create the ideal atmosphere for entertaining, watching a movie, or just lounging. Garmin Fenix 7 Smartwatch. The Garmin Fenix 7 smartwatch is a multipurpose outdoor adventure and fitness companion. The Fenix 7 accurately records all of your activities, including running, cycling, hiking, and swimming, and provides real-time information on pace, heart rate, distance, and other metrics. The watch is a must-have gadget for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts who wish to test their boundaries because it also has sophisticated capabilities like GPS navigation, weather forecasts, and health monitoring tools. Its lengthy battery life guarantees that you may use it for longer periods of time without needing to recharge, and its durable build guarantees that it can withstand the most demanding settings. GoPro Hero 11 Black. Top-tier action cameras like the GoPro Hero 11 Black are made to record the most extreme experiences in breathtaking detail. The Hero 11 Black is ideal for athletes, explorers, and anybody else who wishes to record their exploits in the best possible quality because of its strong image stabilization, high-resolution video recording capabilities, and sturdy construction. In addition to higher frame rates for incredibly smooth films and slow-motion photos, the camera has an improved sensor that produces even better image quality in low light. This camera will make sure you record every exciting moment, whether you're skydiving, hiking, or surfing. Sony WH-1000XM5. The WH-1000XM5 headphones from Sony are among the best noise-canceling headphones available and provide a unique high-end listening experience. With the enhanced sound isolation offered by next-generation noise cancellation technology, you can enjoy calls, podcasts, and music without any annoying background noise. With their clear highs, deep lows, and balanced mid-range, the headphones produce superb sound quality, making them ideal for audiophiles who want top-notch sound. Fitbit Charge 6. You can easily take charge of your health and wellness objectives with the Fitbit Charge 6, a potent fitness tracker. With its many sophisticated sensors and functions, the Charge 6 monitors your heart rate, steps, caloric expenditure, sleep patterns, and more, giving you comprehensive information about your level of activity and general health. The gadget's sleek, light design makes it pleasant to wear all day and night, and it has a built-in GPS so you can track your run's other outdoor activities without carrying your phone with you. Kindle Oasis e-reader. For book enthusiasts who wish to have a whole library in their hands, the Kindle Oasis e-reader is the ideal gadget. Whether you're relaxing on the couch or by the pool, reading is made enjoyable by the Kindle Oasis's sharp, clear text and high-resolution 7-inch display. You can modify the display for day or night reading with the adjustable warm light feature, which makes sure your eyes stay comfortable in any lighting situation. Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700. For those who appreciate high-end sound quality and total noise isolation, the Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700 are revolutionary. Whether you're at work, on the road, or just taking some quiet time at home, these headphones' industry-leading noise cancellation technology lets you tune out outside noises. You may pick how much background noise you wish to let in thanks to the adjustable noise suppression feature, making the experience genuinely personalized. Every listening session seems like a private concert thanks to these headphones' crystal-clear sound and enduring comfort. Elgato Key Light. The Elgato Key Light is a crucial tool for professionals working from home, including broadcasters and content makers, to achieve ideal lighting. You can install this stylish, fully adjustable LED light to your desk or set it up on a tripod to give your movies, live stream, or online meetings studio-caliber lighting. Regardless of the time of day or mood you like to create, you can create the ideal lighting environment with its adjustable brightness and color temperature settings. Those who want precise lighting to accentuate their work or presence on camera will find it very useful. Belkin MagSafe Charging Station. The best option for Apple consumers seeking a powerful, effective, and hygienic charging experience is the Belkin MagSafe Charging Station. Your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods can all be wirelessly charged simultaneously with this stylish, understated charging stand. Your iPhone's built-in MagSafe technology ensures that it stays in place while you use it by securely snapping into place for quick, effective charging. Additionally, the station supports Apple's fast charging features, which eliminates the need for additional cords and allows you to swiftly charge your devices. That's a wrap on 2025's hottest tech finds. Which gadget are you adding to your cart? Let us know below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more tech updates. Stay ahead of the curve. See you next time.